Hi all, myself Ratnakaram Raju from the competitive.in, the only one platform at your service at any time to enhance your skills. In this video, we are going to discuss about solar panels and cells. Then go to next slide. Solar panels and cells. Here the figures are there, which are how the solar panels are placed. Solar panels are used in a wide range in nowadays. As you know, solar energy or solar systems are very useful in nowadays. And first, we need to know what is meant by a solar panel. A solar panel or a photovoltaic module, which is also called as PV module, is an assembly of photovoltaic cells mounted in a framework for installation. Solar panels are use sunlight as a source of energy to generate direct current or electricity. A collection of PV modules is called a PV panel, and a system of panels is an array. Arrays of a photovoltaic system supply solar. The PV junction box is attached to the back of the solar panel and functions as its output interface. External connections for most photovoltaic modules use MC4 connectors to facilitate easy weatherproof connections to the rest of the system. A USB power interface can also be used electricity to electrical equipment. Then go to next slide. Panels and cells. Here are some of the figures where the wide range of panels are used to generate more electricity. Then go to next slide. Solar principles. Here the figure which may briefly explain about how the solar system work. As number one, solar panel turns photons from the sunlight into DC electricity. The AC power you don't use it sent back into the grid and used by the utility for the company. The inverter turns DC current into alternating current for use at home. So, from the solar system or solar panels, we can earn the money and we can be safe with our electricity. Then go to next slide. Solar cells. Most parts of the solar module can be recycled, including up to 95% of the certain semiconductor materials or the glass, as well as large amounts of ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Some private companies and non-private organizations are currently engaged in take-back and recycling operations for end-of-life modules. Then go to another slide. Here are some of the solar panels uses, and nominal voltage is a category to let users know if two pieces of equipment will 14 volts solar panel is compatible with a 14 volts battery bank. How do solar panels make electricity? Step 1. Sunlight activates Sunlight activates the panel, a rack and panel solar system. The cells produce electric current, a silicon ingot and water. The electrical energy is converted. The converted electricity powers your home. In the last step, a net meter measures usage. And here are the solar panels. Solar panels, sometimes also called photovoltaic, collect energy from the sun in the form of sunlight and convert it. Sometimes also called photovoltaic, collect energy from the sun in the form of sunlight and convert into electricity that can be used to power homes or businesses. These panels can be used to supplement a building's electricity or provide power at remote locations. And advantages of solar energy. Renewable energy source reduces electricity bills, diverse applications, low maintenance cost. Disadvantages of solar energy: too cost, weather dependent. Solar energy storage is expensive, uses a lot of space. And some of the disadvantages of solar energy are: cost. The initial cost of purchasing a solar system is fairly high. Weatherly dependent. Although solar energy can still be collected during cloudy and rainy days, the efficiency of a solar system drops. Solar energy storage is expensive, uses a lot of space, associated with pollution. So here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of the solar system. Then go to next slide. Solar panel cost. The average cost range for installing solar panels for a 2000 square feet home is between $15,000 to $40,000. Your costs are determined by how much electricity you use each day. Solar electricity self-consumption has increased mostly due to the heat pump running during the day on the regular tariff, but also due to the bigger system offsetting more appliance usage on overcast days. Of course, there is an extra cost to buying a heat pump and a bigger system. In India, the cost may approx from 5 lakhs to 11 lakhs. So here are some of the important and smart topic about the solar system and panels. I hope I discussed the major topics. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the chat box. I will try to clarify it in the second video. I mean next video. Thank you.